In this video, we're going to be giving you 3 ways to finally move on from your ex. And I know it hurts right now. You're feeling lost without them. You can't seem to let go of them no matter what you do. You're still checking up on them. We're going to help you move on from that. If you're new here, my name is Jessy.
And my name is Bee, and we help women heal themselves from the inside out. We use things like breathwork, energy work, and conscious coaching. So if that sounds in alignment to you, hit that subscribe button and stick around for more. So number 1, this is definitely not what you want to hear, but as someone who has been through breakups before and has been very hung up on exes, and also being a therapist to people that they come and see me and they are so down in the dumps and literally cannot get out of the depression of the breakup, this is the maybe number 1 most important thing. Feeling the feelings, feeling it to heal it. And I know it's cliche and I know it's not what you want to hear, but take it from someone who never did that. I wish I would have done that at the time, because I created so much trauma and unnecessary pain from avoiding those feelings. Oh my God. I wish I could have gone back and just felt the heartbreak in the moment and like wallowed, and I didn't. And I think a lot of us do that. Like, we go on straight to the next person. That's what I would do. I would get back on the dating app. I'd be like, okay, how many dates can I go on? Like, I was running. And it's so irresponsible to do that, because it's a huge sign of emotional immaturity, first of all, because not only are you messing with your feelings, but you're messing with someone else's feelings. Like, they're a new person that's just coming into the situation. They don't know that you haven't, or maybe they do if you tell them, but you haven't gotten over your ex. Like, that's not fair to the other people that are coming in.
Right. And I used to be the same way. I kind of had the mentality of like, oh, on to the next. And like, when you do that, you're transferring your pain from you to another person. And that's not cool. And like, you don't actually, like, your soul and your heart really doesn't want to do that. When you bring somebody else into the mix that you're not really invested in, they're just there to fill the void. Not cool. Don't want to do that. So feel your feelings. Sit with it. I promise you, the pain is temporary. You're gonna make it through. Just feel it. Trace these things back. Why am I feeling this so deeply? You're going to get to the root of that. You're going to figure it out, and you're going to be so much better for it, for the next person that you actually want to invest your time and your energy into.
And Voodoo agrees.
Voodoo agrees. That was validation. So the second thing is, and I am speaking from experience because this is what kept me stuck so long with this person, and it took me so long to break things off with them because I felt responsible for them in so many ways, like financially. Like, I was taking care of this person, and like, I was like, oh my God, if I leave, who's going to take care of them? Like, who's going to show up with groceries? Who's going to pay that bill? Who's going to help them when they're depressed, like when they're going through stuff? Oh my God. And then I had a friend come in and say, Jess, this person survived like 30 years of her life before you. She's going to survive after you. It's okay to let go. She's an adult. She can take care of herself. You don't need to take that responsibility on. And it was like the second she said that, my shackles were unchained. I was like, okay, I can let this person go. Like, I am not responsible for her, and the focus shouldn't be on her. It should be on you. So taking that focus that you're putting towards that other person, shifting that back to you, putting that energy back into yourself, I'm telling you, it will change your life.
Okay, so another thing that's coming to my mind, it can be really hard to let go of exes because it's like, oh my gosh, what are they going to do without me? Like, I took care of so much. However, if you continue to stay with them and stay in that situation, that could really be doing not only you a disservice, which is very obvious, but them a disservice, because maybe it's within their journey to like learn certain things, how to pay their bills, how to, you know, take care of their depression, or get help from other people that maybe wouldn't necessarily be there unless you left. So you've got to think about like what's best for their path too. And although you're not going to know what's best for their path, only they do, you got to stay true to what's best for your path.
Right, because in that situation, in that circumstance, I was enabling that behavior. I was an enabler, and that is what it is. But the second that I let that relationship go was the second that, like, she was on her own again and able to figure things out on her own and wasn't using me as a crutch, right, through life. So
Number 3 is something that I think everyone struggles with after they go through a breakup. I've heard time and time again from people.
I've said it.
I've said it too. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be alone forever. I'm never dating again. I'm never going to be in a relationship again. I'm never going to get married again. Like, okay, that might be true. Usually it's not. It's usually our pain talking. So the third most important thing for you to do in getting over an ex and getting through the breakup is that know and believe and trust that your life is still moving. It's going on. Like, that happened and that hurts and it's painful, and feel it, but also believe that you are going to have more fulfilling experiences, more relationships, more love, so much more light in your life. And that will be a really great, beautiful thing to look back on. Perhaps, maybe it's not, but then you turn it into something great, because that's what we do with our pain. But know and believe that life continues, baby, and you're not going to be alone forever. Even if you don't date again, which some people don't, you're going to have people around you. You're going to have friends, you're going to have dogs, whatever, cats.
Whatever it is. And this is just coming to me now. It doesn't have to be a number 4, because I know we said number 3 throughout the whole video. We're going to get 3 things. But bonus. Here's a bonus for you. Stop checking up on them. In order for you, and I know you don't want to hear that. I know you don't.
Yeah.
I am guilty of it. I think B's probably guilty. Everybody. I think every human in the world is guilty of it, because you're just, that curiosity gets to you, like, oh my God, have they moved on? Like, are they dating? Like, what? And it's like, that is not going to help your process. If you see them with someone else, that's going to make you spiral. The best thing that you can do is, for a period of time, whether that's 6 months, a year, keep them blocked, whether it's for eternity. Keep them blocked and keep yourself accountable. Be disciplined. Don't check on their social media. Don't send them a text, because I'm telling you, you're save the little bit of dignity that you have left in your body and your bones and your aura and your energy and your spirit. Do not check up on them via text. Don't send that I miss you text. I'm speaking to somebody right now. Don't reach out. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Take that to the fucking bank for yourself.
Mic drop.
So in the comments below, if you've made it this far, drop the date that you are watching this. If you're heartbroken and you're watching this, drop the date below. And then I want you to come back to this video in 6 months from now and let us know what your experience is, how you've moved on. Because I guarantee you, you are totally moved on. You don't, whatever your ex's name, whatever who, like, I'm moved on. I'm in my glow up era. I'm like all about me. I'm loving myself. Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure that you like it, subscribe, and share and follow for more.
Take what you need, leave the rest, and go love yourself.